How does your body heal sunburn after too much sun exposure? The answer is more incredible than you think because your skin has a powerful way of repairing itself from damage. When you get sunburned, ultraviolet rays from the sun penetrate your skin and damage the DNA inside your skin cells. This damage triggers inflammation, which causes the characteristic redness and pain. Your body detects this injury as a threat and immediately signals repair systems to jump into action. Your immune system responds by sending white blood cells to the injured area. These cells help clear out damaged or dead skin cells and prevent infections. This immune response is critical because it sets the stage for healing and new skin growth. Next, your skin ramps up cell production. New skin cells grow rapidly beneath the surface, pushing out the old, damaged cells. This process forms a new protective layer, which gradually replaces the red, peeling skin you see after sunburn. Healing can take anywhere from a few days to a week, depending on the severity of the burn. Keeping your skin moisturized and staying hydrated helps your body complete this repair process faster and more comfortably. Your body's ability to heal sunburn shows just how resilient your skin is. It repairs DNA damage, fights inflammation, and grows new cells to protect you. If you want to keep learning about amazing body processes, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.